Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the TTA Performance YouTube channel. And here we have a customer's 1980 301 turbo engine, completely rebuilt. It is a 30 over, making it a 306 cubic inch with forged pistons. Typical rebuild stuff that I do. This one, modification wise, kind of a couple firsts for us. This one here actually has a roller camshaft in it. Is a comp roller with the lifters that I found that work in the 301 turbo block. It is running a Holley Sniper. It is running a stage 3 turbo, upgraded turbo. And as you can see, it also has my header system on it. This is the complete subframe for his car. He's having it, the body restored. So the frame's all powder coated, core support's powder coated. Restored by me, and then it's all been modified. So what we're doing here is it also has a 204R overdrive transmission. This is the Summit Racing transmission cross member to mount the transmission on there. And this is kind of my run stand setup. A gas can with an inline fuel pump, a couple of filters, and just some basic wiring setup here, just to get it running. It is running an HEI. Yes, I will stab the distributor in better so that we can straighten out the cap, because that is a pet peeve of mine, to have a distributor that is completely rotated to get the correct timing. So I will change that, but I was in the process of just getting it running. So everything is all hooked up. I've already dialed in a tune with it and got it all warmed up. I just wanted to show you guys how well it runs with the Holley Sniper, how it sounds. It is just an open down pipe. It is actually just pointing straight down. And yes, I got a oil pressure gauge just kind of laying there too, just to keep an eye on things. As my neighbor had said, it's like watching a heartbeat outside of the human body with just a frame sitting here. She was kind of surprised to see this. So let's get it fired up here. Hook up my ignition. And we'll power it up here. Try and unplug the headset here, see if it sounds any different. Sounds pretty healthy. So just a quick video, just kind of showing the Holley Sniper and roller camshaft. Doesn't really sound too much different. It's pretty mild camshaft, but sounds pretty peppy. Can't wait to get it back to the customer, have him put it into the body, and hopefully we'll be getting that car back for tuning. And I'm sure we'll be doing a I'm sure we'll be doing a chassis dyno pull on it too when he gets it all put back together. But thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, have a good day.